Hello Internet, this is Oatmeal here, and I'm about to give you the Whited00r OS 5 Keynote presentation. So let's hop in, but before I actually give you any software, I just want to go over some statistics. So we are the most popular custom firmware on the market, and since the RC release, we have gained over 2,000 more Facebook likes than we originally had, and also since the RC release, donations for us have gone up 60%, which is great. And we are almost one of the last people to support iOS 3 on today's market, which is amazing. So our firmware contains over 200 new features, just like Apple's, which is basically has reminders, MMS, configurator, split music and video, a newsstand, and a lot more. So just go ahead and dig around in your software, in your RC release candidate or whatnot, and see what you can find that's new. So I want to talk about WDReminders first. So WDReminders is going to support the second-gen devices, which are the iPhone 3Gs and iPod Touch 2G MB models, and we're going to support the MC as well. They're going to allow better tweaks and faster firmware because we're not using Darlos folders and basically a ton of second-hand tweaks which slow down the firmware. It will fully run iOS 4 apps because it's going to be iOS 4 based, and it's going to be great. Now I want to talk about WDReminders, which we're really excited about on our end because it's going to include the first jailbreak tool ever invented for Mac computers, which is just incredible. It is beyond amazing. So just like you have Cydia on your device, when you install WDReminders on your computer, you'll be able to have whatever we decide to name our tool. So if you wanted to put on a new dock on your computer, you open up our tool and hit install this dock, and it will go ahead and install that dock, which is amazing. It will be open for all developers as well, and we're just not going to limit it to WDReminders computers, which are going to be running Panther, which is 10.3. We're going to allow this store to be open to anything up to 10.7. So we're really excited for that. So the first thing I want to talk about is the 3 store. A lot of you have been asking, do you guys accept iOS 4 apps on your software? We don't. However, if you have the 3 store on your device, you'll be able to search up any application that's in your mind and install it on your device. So what you do is you launch the 3 store and you basically search for anything you want to search for. So let's say you search for Facebook. So then you're going to download the Facebook file, you're going to tap on it, and you're going to install it, and it's going to install Facebook right on your device, which is amazing. And that is available on the forums today, so you can go ahead and download that and install that on your device. Next thing I want to talk about is WDReminders. We've updated it to 1.0.1, and it now has saving, which means, well, it had saving before, but now our saving's updated, so it saves basically everywhere. It has a new layout, which includes the details page, just like Apple's real reminders. So basically, you're not going to go an inch in this firmware and tell the difference between Apple's reminders and WDReminders. And that's coming soon to the forums. Next thing, I want to talk about Notification Center. This is beyond amazing. As you're looking at right now on the screen, this is a modified Notification Center, which is built to run on iOS 3. And this is a picture of it on iOS 3 today. It is still in testing and won't be available to the public. And just to keep you teased, this is all we're showing you right now. And it's coming soon. Next thing I want to talk about, and last thing, is iCloud, which is also known as Real Backup. So basically it allows you to store your content anywhere in the world. If you have the server name, you can back it up to your computer, you can use it over Wi-Fi. It's basically amazing. You'll love it. Thank you guys, and have a good night.